Hey guys, this is Greg, Underground Graphics. Today we're going to talk about that door sill protection. We've been using Expel PPF. We also have an offering of Control Tack vinyl or even a 3M vinyl, satin black, matte black. So those we're calling that a economical version of this. You know, that's there to help protect basically against that one strike. It is vinyl. It is going to be thin. If you step on that wrong hard, it's going to tear through. It is going to save that paint for that one time, hopefully. Again, the premium option for that is going to be that Expel Clear PPF. And even that, what we found with the roll bar is, you know, again, it's there to protect the paint, but it's not impermeable. It can still rip, it can still tear. What we found for the roll bar was TredWear has come up with an incredible vinyl that's working very well. It's almost like a soft skateboard tape, if you will, you know, like a grip tape, except it's not, you know, it doesn't hurt to touch. So we did that. We have a video for that for the roll bar. We absolutely love it. So we've picked up, and what we're doing is using these as solid. So these don't have the horse in it. It doesn't have the little grates in it, no venting or anything like that, but just a solid black as an alternative for those of you that want that extra protection. This is going to give you the most that we found. And again, it's a great option if you got, you know, high traffic kids getting in and out. I've got the door pulled off again just to kind of show you how easy this stuff is to put on. On the roll bar, we tried a wet method and then went back to a dry method. Even though this is not air release, it's thick, it's easy to put on. Just do this dry, it's not that bad. We were able to get that up and, you know, lay it back down, so it's really not bad at all. So again, we're going to do a little quick video for that. And again, this is a new product that'll be on the site in addition to our others. We really do think you're going to like it. All right, we're back. We're going to go ahead and get this install done for you guys. I did want to go over again, obviously, this is for the 4-door. You're going to get 2 large, 2 small for the back, and obviously we do have this available for the 2-door as well. Again, this is the most durable we have. I'm going to keep my Expel on there because I do like that clear. I want it to be invisible. I'm going to try this out, see how that feels, see how that looks. But again, if you need that durability, this is going to be the way to go. As you can see, there's some indentations in here, some relief cuts, if you will. That's going to be right there for the bend on this. That's where you want that to sit. And depending on which model you have, again, I'm just going to kind of eyesight this and let you know what's best for what I like. But basically, the roll where this bend is, I'm going to hit with that rise here in that factory sill, and then mark my spot there, mark my spot there. I haven't done this yet, so we'll do this together. But basically, if you want to get up on top of that, you can kind of see where that marks. If you want to mark it with the grease pencil, if you want to mark it with tape, we can do that. So let's go ahead and do that. I mean, just again, this is just going to guarantee you get it tacked right where you want it to go. So 2 pieces of tape. And again, I like to kind of be on top of that. So again, this is just so we know we get those lined where we want them. I do want to prep this, get this cleaned up. I just did this earlier. 30% alcohol, 70% water. Just make sure there's nothing on there, you know, on that sill. Get that really clean. And squeegee. We're going to provide you with this little tiny one. This is what we use for the screen protectors, for the roll bar protection. Again, this is really rigid, so this is not going to hurt this at all. You don't need mask on this. It's just a dry apply. I'm going to go ahead and we can kind of get this tore there, tear that. And if you want to do half, you can do half, cut away half. You can do the whole thing. You're going to have a little bit more control if you just want to go ahead and peel back some of this. See if we can get this started. And again, I was so impressed with the roll bar that we decided to go ahead and pick these up, carry these for y'all. I do like them solid. I don't like all the designs and stuff in them. And if you want to cut that back, and again, we'll just line that up with that tape, or you can use that, you know, that crease to see where that's going to fall. I'll lightly tack that. Just use that squeegee to go down. You don't want to be super aggressive with it, but again, stuff is awesome. I just pulled that off. I mean, now that that's there, we know it's gonna fall right back where it needs to go. This stuff, I mean, it's really very impressive. So it's that easy. Again, we're just gonna do one for now. I don't need to do all 4 for the camera, but again, just to show you, there's a key on there. and that's not leaving any marks. So you can imagine the rocks in your shoes, stuff like that. It's going to be easy. Anyway, guys, if you got any questions on this, give us a call, give us an email. We're always here. We'll have this again in addition to our other door sill products. But yeah, I think you guys are going to love it. Thanks a lot.